Oh, hey. Happy New Year, everyone. It's just around the corner. Merry Christmas. That's just in the recent past. Uh, Merry Christmas pounds. We definitely put a few of those on. I did, anyways. So I got to make this intro a little short. Last video of the year. And so what I did during the busy holidays is I took out the Nikon F2 or the Nikon F2, whichever the one how you want to say it, and the Nikon QC Auto 135 3.5 pre-AI lens. This one has been factory converted. That has become one of my favorite lenses. So basically, my favorite lens on what has become my favorite camera, because basically this camera is just wow, just blows you away when you got the DP1 meter, and you also got the DP11, so you can shoot all the old lenses. You start realizing why this camera, the second in line, first it was the F and then this, that it became so popular, as well as it is today. If it, the it's this has everyone has been calling this, since I've been researching it, the most perfect mechanical camera in the world, and I'm here to say I'm actually in agreement with that, because I just can't put it down. It has replaced everything. It's such a beautiful, beautiful piece of equipment to use. They've thought of everything with the timer, the mirror up, the everything that I've been using on this camera. It just wow. That's all I got to say is wow. If you ever get a chance to shoot one of these, whether it's yours or something you can borrow, something you could keep for a while, if you got the two metered finders with it, you can get better metering finders than these. You can get the newer ones that are supposed to be more accurate for both the pre-AI and the AI lenses. I like the needles, as I've said before. I really just like the analog. I'm not too worried about a little bit more accuracy. I'm used to analog, and I really enjoy the analog. So even there, you get two choices. You can get the more accurate LEDs that balance out with the newer uh, metering sensors, or you can have these. I like these. Uh, that's about it. So far, so good. Heading into the new year, there's going to be some surprises coming, and it's all built around this camera and the Nikon F, which it has been coming for 2 years, like I've said. So we're almost there. It's so exciting. It's so exciting. Such oh my gosh. That's all I have to say. Oh, if you're a shooter and you like mechanical cameras and you're into this wow, it's a professional. It's just everything, everything you would want. It's just amazing. Okay, so I put some Ilford Pan F Plus inside. I did have the yellow filter. It's not on here now. The Nikon yellow filter, the Y48. I always shoot with the Y48. I'll be getting the orange and the red and the green filters too, and that's the great thing about this system. All the way up to the 200, the PC 200, all had the 52 millimeter threads. Pretty serious stuff to be that devoted that you designed everything around the photographer only needing one set of filters, for all your lenses, up to 200 anyhow, from 20 or 24 to 200. So yeah, so happy new year, happy everything. New stuff coming in the new year as there's going to be some stuff revealed, the reason why I bought this camera. And that's it. Everybody take care. I hope you enjoy the slideshow. I did night photography and some gray, very gray day photography. Used a tripod because gray days and night. So I took this right down to 3.5 on the night shots. Aperture. We're at 3.5, so wide open on the night shots, just so you know when you see the night shots. And also use the mirror up and the timer on everything. So every shot you see is mirror up, timer on a tripod, and nothing. There was nothing over 5.6 even in the daytime, because it was very gray. So I hope you enjoy these photos. Yes, I don't know, boy. I'm telling you, I fight just telling everybody go out and get one. But I don't really want to do that, because maybe it's not for you. But if you want the mechanical only camera with a built-in meter and accessories for a professional, with this beautiful vintage glass, and that goes all the way up to even AF lenses, as long as they have the aperture with metering. This is the stuff, man. That's all there is to it. Okay, like, subscribe, I guess, click the bell. We're still saying that in going into year 2025. Thank you, everyone. Double shaka. Hang loose. See you later. Nikon life, baby.
Solo, you be Yoko, I'll be Ono. I don't wanna live in mono, stay and remedy my phone. We can party down in Soho, gets me up when I am Lolo. I say Marco, you say Polo, nice. Let's see what I don't do solo, you be Yoko, I'll be Ono. I don't wanna live in mono, stay and remedy my phone. We can party down in Soho, gets me up when I am Lolo. I say Marco, you say Polo, nice. Let's go loco, la la. La 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 la. Let's go loco. Let's go loco. I don't do solo, you be Yoko, I'll be Ono. I don't wanna live in